Welcome back to Fallout Frost Plus. We are exactly where we left off in the previous instalment, and as so often before, I'm in a completely different mindset than I was when I finished recording last time. I am going to retrace my steps back towards Andrew's station and have another look round, because I do think when I noticed when I was editing that I've actually missed something, and also this is clearly not the Eddie Winter Trail, going back up the tunnels towards Scully's station, which is what I thought I was going to do. But I'm actually not going to do. Scully's station is down there, I think. So I'm going to retrace my steps. And yeah, I remember the guy with the hat. Just saw you in the editing session. Timmy Mark's Field Journal. Oh, I might as well pick them up.
Take what we can.
Yes,
They
well,
won't be needing those items any longer.
hey, yes, quite right. Always miss something in the heat of battle. This needless massacre, which I'm very ashamed. Where did this go? Let me just.
Hey.
Whoa! Yes, I forgot. I remember now. No! We found him. No! Oh, damn it! Shit! Dora's going to town. No! Stop! Let me get through this door. Oh my god. God, I hope she. Thank God for that. You didn't kill anybody else. Right. Now,
I'll cover you, sir.
from what? Why? What's happening? Oh, we're still in the. Federation Alliance. Sorry, I get mixed up. The Alliance. That's the Alliance. Stronghold. Or what was their stronghold before they all got shot? She didn't shoot everybody. Oh, my booze has worn off. Forgot I was close to being overloaded. Have another bottle of wine. What harm can it do? Yeah, I've actually got quite a lot of things I need to sort out, inventory-wise. Always have the urge to just go home. Oh, sort out my inventory. That'd be great. Right. Might not be going anywhere. Eddie Winter has anything to say about it. That is if we find him. Somehow I doubt it. Perhaps I was wrong. Perhaps there wasn't anywhere else. I thought I saw a way I could have gone, which I didn't. Let's take a blood pack and a bandage. Oh yeah, of course my arm is damaged. And I'm very thirsty, so let me attend to that. Right, probably getting low. Oh, let's drink those spoil waters. Probably getting low on the water I've got on my person. Parched. Am I hungry as well? Of course I am. Of course I'm hungry. A stupid question. Butt chops. I'm going to drop that. Eat that. Oh yeah, I was really hungry actually. Oh well, it's good for my sanity. Can you just quickly crack that open for me, if you would?
There we are. Unlocked.
Thank you very much.
As requested.
A lot quicker than doing it myself. Oh, I mean, it wasn't really worth it, but I'm not really needing any mines, even if that is a mine. Yeah, it was down here. Wisdom after the edit. Look at that, there's a hole in the wall. This may be a blind alley. Well, worse. Thing is, even if I do find him in some kind of stronghold, will I be able to get into it? Because I don't have all the tapes that you need in the main game. Well, that's kind of what I was hoping to ascertain, is can I get Eddie Winter, and is he a mean, bastardly Eddie Winter, or is he just some chump with a pistol? Getting spooked already. I don't know what to expect. How do I get around there? HUD isn't twitching as yet. This is all very unfamiliar. Is this full of gas? I think it is. Oh. Oh yes, I remember. Oh bloody hell! Machine gun. Whoa! Fucking hell! Well, that answers that question. Am I overweight again? Not quite. Yeah, this is obviously Alliance. And they are still not auto-hostile, even though I've just pretty much wiped out their main base. A lot of them have got these submachine guns, which I don't really favourite myself. Because it's quite good for close range. But when I get that the automatic radium rifle back, if I get it back, that's going to be a hell of a lot better. Right, don't know if I want to go into the boxing gym. Somehow, may have no choice. Maybe not. Don't want to shoot you if I don't have to. Oh, it's a dog. If they haven't seen me yet. Oh dear. Are you cool? He's got a lead pipe, submachine gun, and what is that? That is also a submachine gun.
Hey.
Oh! I should have known it. Stand up, man. That's the problem with the sneaks, with a developed sneak skill. You can just walk straight in. Oh, they're all cool. Everything's fine. And my robot door has been blasted again. Don't want you coming around behind me. Where have you gone? Might be better off jumping down there. Yep, what you do that.
Maybe it's over.
Hardly. Hardly over. Bloody hell. More death. I am starting to run out of repairs for you.
Diagnostic looks green. Ready to get back to the action.
What action are we getting into? Is this just another wrong turn? Boxing glove. Can't really be picking anything else up at the moment. Yeah, already done you. Just a pipe weapon. All got very similar loadouts. Hoping there's somewhere else I can go. Yeah, well, I can go ahead there. Take the cram if I can. I got some beer as well, and some dosh. Now what? Do I actually have any grenades? I don't. Although now I think of it, I reckon I've got some of those MRIV grenades. Oh yeah, that's the radium rifle. Don't have that much ammo for it, and I want to take it home and play with it first. I don't want to blood it. This I remember. This is where it is in the base game. I don't have the.
Incorrect code.
I don't have the. Can I unlock this? I wonder if Dora can unlock this door by some miracle. I wonder if the game gods will let me have Dora unlock it. Now, how the hell am I supposed to get in there? Am I meant to get all the... Nick didn't say anything about a code. He was just waffling. Dora, is there any chance? I know it's a bit weird, but...
Yes, sir.
Can you unlock
Take
that?
a look.
Well, she's going to try. Whoops.
I'm afraid there's no way to open this.
Okay. I'll just have another look at that. Oh, and you're going to stand there, aren't you? Can you
Hey,
I'd be happy to help if I can.
over here.
pop yourself over there? Well, I think we've found him. In a way. But... keypad.
Incorrect code.
Don't suppose there's going to be anything lying around. Well, the reality is, I am not going to be able to get him out of there. I can't pick it with any level of lockpicking or hacking skill, I don't think. What's the... Oh, wait a minute. What's this? Boys have set up a ring down in the tunnels. Help them blow off steam. Train. Not to mention it's been making me a pretty penny on the side. Bet it all on Marika. She's a tough bitch. Don't suppose that was any sort of code, was it? Just double check they're not carrying anything. There's nobody called Marika. Or was there? Don't think so. A dog again. No. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. What a tremendous waste of time, resources, effort. Just before I leave, I'm just going to make sure I'm not thinking, oh, what if? Oh, when I'm editing this. Oh, I missed the box with the thing in it. There's nothing here. And I don't think there's any other way to go. I wonder what would happen if I went back to talk to Nick. Probably not very much. He'd probably just repeat. He might, I suppose, have another dialogue option. There's nowhere does it say, oh, you'll need to find all the codes. You'll need to find all the holotapes. Maybe they kind of suppose you know that. I didn't expect him to be in there. I thought he'd be, well, somewhere else. Okay. Right, well, I'm going to have a pause while I think about what to do next. Whether to go back down to downtown. I don't think I am, actually. I'm going to hang around this cooking station, sort through my inventory, have a think about what to do, where I'm going to go. There's going to be something else around here of interest, so I will rejoin you shortly. Okay, well that took me longer than I thought it would. I've done some sorting out, given Dora some more of my things, including the radium rifle, and excuse me, and got a lot healthier carry capacity freed up. So here we are. We're about to exit Andrews Station. Look at all the carnage, all the unnecessary carnage. Look at the state of this. Well, we found Eddie, but, well, I say we found him. I assume he is in there. We found his original hideout. So I think for the time being, I'm going to shelve that. I'll have to either go and speak to Nick, or I know I haven't even been picking up the tapes, and they're all over the map. So I don't really think it's going to be feasible for me to unlock that door unless there's some other way of doing it. I suspect there isn't, and it's just kind of like a little additional thing you can do. It's a bit of a disappointment. So what I am going to do is something that oh, by the way, this is my I tried reinstalling, or rather I installed another version of the colour map mod, It still isn't colour, but it's a lot better. And actually, it shows some of the features of the map a lot more clearly, like the railway lines. So I'll keep it like this for now. I'm going to head towards, I think it's Mass Fusion, which is in the centre of Boston, and look for the Strength bobblehead, and that is going to be more carnage or my death. So, and I'm going to be going straight through the centre of town, so there's bound to be trouble. So at least I'll feel like I'm achieving something. I've got to actually find it. I think it's around in this northern kind of part of the city here somewhere, but it is one of the tallest buildings, so I should be able to find it. Okay, and perhaps after that we can do Trinity Tower, which is another ghoul haunt. But let's see if we make it that far. I'll just head towards the old corner bookstore as a point of reference, and let us get underway. Right then, I assume everybody is still dead. I don't think I missed anything up here. I didn't go inside the bus. Another thing I noticed while editing. Oh, doesn't look like anyone's in here either. Not that I imagine there'll be anything in here. Oh, well, there's some bits and pieces. Oh, there's a magazine.
Bingo.
Canine companion permanently takes 10% less damage. I don't suppose that. I don't suppose that'll apply to robots. Oh, there's a safe. Laura, can you please? Can you have a moment?
Look alive.
What can I do for you?
Can you open that?
Get that open.
Okay. Well, at least
Looks like this shouldn't be too difficult.
this is nice and bright out here.
Nope, that's not it.
Oh, you're losing your touch.
Nope, that's not it. There we are. Unlocked as requested.
Just more cash. Oh, hum. Yeah, just check inside the bus. Just so nobody can accuse me of not looking inside the bus. Okay, that's the bus. Let's head back north. Oh, where do you come from? Right. I don't know if we were down there all night, probably. Right, I don't know what I'm likely to come across. Obviously, I've already been through this sort of southern portion of the city. Wouldn't mind trying to find a power armor workstation, but I doubt I've got all the wherewithal to repair that arm. You need some quite sort of specialised bits and pieces, which I don't think I've been picking up. Is there any reason to go that way? I don't suppose there is. It's nice to be in the daylight. It's actually a relatively clear day for Frost. Is our robot friend still there? Yep, there he is.
Protect and
Our
serve.
guardian. Champion. Exploding paint tin. Wasn't. No, gunfire. Always gunfire. How's my assault rifle going to look with the night vision scope out here? Yeah, sort of usable. I think I've given my other version back to Dora. This is the first time I suppose we've done a walk right through the centre of the city. You can hear, it'll be those deer, I suspect. You can hear hooved feet. A business going that way. the sort of place that people would hang out. Oh, like that, for instance. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, you're nearly dead anyway. Doesn't mean you won't chuck a nuclear grenade at me. Damn! What the?
We may have no more hiding for you. That takes care of that.
Does indeed. The hell was that? Okay. You mind your own business. I'll mind mine. Oh, this is going to be fun. Sounds like I'm dragging a bag of tools behind me. No.
My onboard functions are operating at full capacity.
Good to hear it. Good to hear it, Laura. Okay, so we've already solved our beer robot issue. Something we have achieved in the last few episodes. Did I leave anybody alive here? Probably not. Found. Okay. Yep. Something's found me. Don't think it was the mine. Oh, I wonder. I wonder what that is. Bloody miracle if I get through here without getting into trouble. Is that your robot noise? Sounded like an unfamiliar noise for you. Onward. Oh yeah, we've this is where the turrets here were. I think. Oh blimey. Oh hello.
That was an using resample.
Nobody. Just a humble traveller, minding his own business, trying to make his way through the world.
If we keep standing in this radiation, you're going to get sick.
I'll be fine. Actually, this could be something worth doing. Wasn't on the agenda. That's never stopped me before. Oh, you do it as well. Not just me then. Okay. I don't think we're going to get as far as Trinity Tower in this episode. We may not even get as far as mass fusion. Ooh. How do I set you off? Do I even care about setting you off? Oh, E for something.
It's quite dark here. Adjusting visual sensors to compensate.
And just terminal. Tectron control, why not? Nice and easy. Activate. Away you go. Whoa! Schematic. Not much use to me, but at least it's a schematic. sorts. Oh. They're not attacking me, I hope. Bloody hell. Those things are dangerous. I better make sure they are not going to just massacre me. Don't think so. They are nicking all my XP though.
Attention, citizens.
Bloody hell, he's
You may now resume
withering
your
fire upon the
activity.
ghouls. Okay. Just deal with that. I wonder if there's any danger of finding any more schematics in here. Hello there. Go further down. Oh no, you can't go further down. It's just an illusion. Amidst all the confusion. Well, getting plenty of cash. Don't know what I'm going to do with it though. Be glad of it one day. Bloody useless. Take that buff out. And the Radex actually, because I know I did use a bit of buff out. Does that go back outside? I suspect it does. Well, I think we've already activated the robots. Okay. Where do I go? I can hear him milling around upstairs there. This will most likely be it. Searching for me. I think there's a magazine in here. I can't pass up the opportunity to massacre ghouls.
It's going to be difficult finding anything useful in this mess. Company.
I wouldn't call it company.
Last of them.
No, it isn't.
Let's take them out.
Go on, Dora. Wade in there, girl.
Prepare to be annihilated.
There you go. There's still more. No, I'm not going to pick up any more 308 because I'm not really sure. Oh, I'll take that. In fact, I'll munch that down right away. I haven't had an infection or anything like it for quite a while, although I think I am, of course. I have parasites. I ought to deal with those. I have got antibiotics. Person. Okay. Here. I have to go round. See something glowing in this room. Hello.
Non-organic. These rats won't affect me.
Come on.
That's a different story.
Let there be. Let there be. A Soltron schematic or anything. That's very good. Oh, there is a schematic. That's two schematics in one building. Steady on, game. Don't get carried away. Actually, no, I tell a lie. I found a spotlight turret schematic, something I've already got in the in Andrew Station, in a locked safe, which I made Dora open. didn't include that because it wasn't very exciting.
Fire!
Not as many ghouls as I remember, but
That's the last
then
of them.
I do suppose the robots took care of a hell of a lot of them. More mentats. Good stuff. Certainly going to need a sanity boost shortly. Toothpaste. Did I misremember a magazine? I thought there was a magazine here, or have I just picked one up? I thought there was one. Oh, there we go. What does this do? Companions permanently gain plus 10 health. Now, are you a companion? You certainly are, but I mean, does the game consider you to be a companion? That's going to be really handy. I can get on the roof here. Let's do that. That didn't take long. Okay, there's yet more. Well, I hope it's ghouls. Empty bottles. A water filter. Duct tape. Which way are we facing? We want to be going that way. Anything I need to worry about down there? Don't think so. Blimey, landed straight in the middle of a bonfire. Okay. Oh no, we've been this way before. I remember this character. His silly hat. Go on, you can do it. Don't know how. Don't look. Mildly dehydrated indeed. Right, okay, well I did transfer the rest of the water. Starting to run low. Yeah, I hate to say it, but it might soon be time for heading home. At least for a short while. I think I must have seen him before. Not before I've done the mass fusion. I don't mean straight away, but perhaps after that and Trinity Tower. That'll be what I am thinking about doing. Okay. Must be getting kind of. Well, is this mass fusion? I know it's a bloody tall building. If it is mass fusion, I need to be slightly more careful and go round. No. Oh well, I'll just go around this way. Don't like these narrow streets. Don't have much time to react. Boston Bugle building. Where's that incredibly tall building gone? There it is. I think that is mass fusion. I think. And if it is, there will be guards outside. Sure enough. This is a dangerous place. But I've always intended to come here for the bobblehead, so let's get in there if we can. I'm half tempted to send Dora home at this point. If I knew I was going to go home, I think I'd send her now. Because I don't think she's going to be much use to me. Or she might be, but she's just as likely to get me killed in this place. What kind of characters are we dealing with here? God knows. They're not showing their arms at the moment. There's 3 of them. She looks kind of military. They do not. Okay, I might just take one of them out. Retreat.
Careful, sir. I don't think we're alone.
You said it. Just slightly worried one of them might be packing a rocket launcher.
Enemies over here.
Oh, damn, you're so slow. Yeah, we need to get you home. I think I'm going to send you home.
Resistance is futile.
I think it's just this guy left. You're not going to hit me with a shotgun
Not
from
much
this
of a
range,
threat
mate.
after all.
I don't know. I can't decide whether to send Dora home or not, because I imagine there's going to be there is going to be well, things like that. Not that I'm picking that up, but there's going to be a rocket launcher in here. I'm fairly sure. Problem is, somebody will actually be using it. We'll be seeking to use it on me. Compact hurts. No, don't think I want any of that stuff. What about you, military girl?
Should the need arise, these reinforced structures would make excellent cover.
Yeah, it is military of some sort. What was that? Oh. Right. I think if I leave her outside, I don't know what will happen. Whether she'll wander off, or follow me, or what. It's just her the amount of noise she makes. I'm going to need to be sneaking. How much carry capacity have I got? I've got quite a lot. I don't know if I'll be able to carry... I might be able to carry a missile launcher if I get one. But I don't know how many missiles I'll be able to take. Assuming there are. A selection of missiles. I don't need... Certainly don't need her at Trinity Tower. I think this is where we part company for the moment.
Hey,
Yes, sir?
hold up a sec.
Here you are. I hope these help.
Oh, cheers. Rat poison and a camera. Thank you. Oh, somebody just
Did you require my assistance?
topped themselves. Dismiss.
I no longer require your services.
I hope I've done nothing to offend you, sir.
Certainly not.
Have a pleasant journey.
Go home.
Safety's off!
Oh God, now what? What the fuck? Well, thanks for the warning. Yeah, I would rather do this on my own. I kind of know what I'm doing with this place. I'm using mines, probably. Let's get inside first. I'm hungry. Oh, I need to take antibiotics. Thirsty, and bloody hell. Take another bottle of bourbon. Properly fed. A nuka. Let's have 2 nukas. Purified water.
I'm not equipped to imbibe alcoholic substances, so I'm afraid you'll have to drink alone, sir.
Got quite attached to that robot. Right. I've got stealth. I've got 4 stealth boys. I should be alright just for the first part of this. I don't have a very powerful silence weapon. I have got the pistol, though. That was power armor. Opening and closing. Is that somebody getting out of power armor or into power armor? Where's my pistol? Oh, damn it. Not sure whether to worry about the turret or not. I'm going to be taking my time through here, so bear with me. Might be the last thing I ever do. Oh yeah. Have you? No, you haven't. I don't think that turret is active. I kind of want to take that character out, but I don't want to let everybody know I'm here yet. At least until I have identified the person with the rocket launcher, who I am totally certain will be here. There always is somebody patrolling up here with a rocket launcher. Bloody hell, that's where we heard the power armor. He's gone to sleep. Okay. Well, don't wake up. take the fusion core. Take those. Could be some decent weaponry in here, of course. Oh, frag grenades. Nice timing. Let's get those on straight away. Two sorts of mines. Good grief. How many mines have I got? A lot. That's how many mines I've got. Why is it saying I'm... Calm down. You're dead. Stop it. Let's just focus on the... oh, sadly, I don't have Dora to open that. I can open this one myself. Easy as that.
Sweet.
Buff tats. They give me sanity. I suppose I could retreat into here if I have to. It's all going to come down to... I think that might be who I'm looking for. Whether I hit them or not. If I don't... It may not go well for me. Hey, are you more tin cans? I thought I just... I need a clear headshot. Character's still down here. I might mine these stairs. There's gonna be somebody up there as well. Oh God, can't you get your head clear of the banister? I'm gonna mine it first. Get a bit of security. There's nobody there at the moment. Let's put another one on the stairs. Another one there. Oh, damn it. Then take a shot.
Who's there?
Oh, shit. Shitty shit. Nobody.
What the?
God knows if that was the right person. Go with this. Oh, I'm glad you found that funny. Whoa! Arsehole. Can I hit you from here? You can find there's a mine there. Put another one down. Get out of the way, man. Still don't know if I've got the person with the rocket launcher in it. It doesn't stop somebody else picking it up, unfortunately. Which I'm pretty sure they will. How many mines went off there? I don't remember. Was it 2 or 3? This is fun. Chance I can see them through here? No, I can't. Pretty stubborn searching bar this. He's going down slowly. Sorry I'm taking so long over this, but there's somebody wielding a rocket launcher up there. Oh, there we go. It's quite important. Ah, damn. It's you, isn't it? I know it. It's you. Do I want to leave this mine in place? Where the hell is it? It's right in front of you, you idiot. Knuckles, it wasn't you. Or you. Don't know what's through that door. I'm not going to worry about it right now. The bobblehead is right up as far as I can go. quite relieved that nobody's become alerted to my presence. 50 cal, nothing there. Looks like all the mines went off. Let's make sure there's nobody walking in and out of that area. Right, are we going to find a rocket launcher here? Am I talking out of my backside? Whoa. Vented calibrated. Quite happy with the one I've got, thank you. Found? By what? Shit! Who are you? Can't take any chances with you. I'm going to worry about all that later. We'll sort of do a sweep on the way back down. Well, it's either this guy I've just shot or nobody. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. There you go. There you go. Right, taking that. Now, how many missiles can I take? Can I even take... Can I take... I'm gonna have to... I'm gonna have to... ditch something. I do need to start thinking about fitting out a rocket launcher. Not for carrying all the time, but for I've got a particular use of it for it in mind. Is that a trap? I know there are more people in here, but I think we should be okay for rocket launchers. Although I think there is some big guy up at the top, so... Oh, am I suddenly overweight? Yes, I am. Okay, let me just go through my inventory yet again and ditch... Well, I'm going to have to drop something that I don't want to drop, I think. Yeah, actually, there were a few things, not least the rat poison that Dora gave me. It's a leaving gift. Oh, there's a chance of schematics in here. Where is... I'm not remembering exactly where the next group of people are. Well, let's have a look in the filing cabinets. I'll tell you another bobblehead I would really like to get, and I will try and get it. It might not be much use here, is the Luck bobblehead. Not an easy one to get. I won't be making a special trip for it, but maybe I can pick it up in passing when we go there, if we go there. Absolutely sod all in these. Oh, more mentats. Yeah, I just think my Lucky's not very good. That's why I'm not really finding anything. Well, ooh. Well. Why do you seem so pleased about it? Can't see me.
Do it again.
There you go. Did it again. Can I use this as an emergency getaway? Yes. Will I remember that? No. Take your rounds. I don't know how many missiles I've got in total. Probably about 4 something. Don't need many. Not going to take any more 308 now because I don't seem to be using. I don't seem to be using sniper rifles at the moment. I would like a 50 cal sniper rifle. Failing that, I might make a change my laser rifle back into a sniper weapon. Oh, hello. Nice hat. Oh God, I've gone insane. Christ. That's how bad it's been in the last couple of days. Shit. Okay. This could be interesting. I wasn't seeing that happening quite so soon. Last time I checked, it was 50. I suppose I have shot quite a few people, and I'm going to be shooting a few more if I get the chance. What's down here? Vented automatic assault rifle. No, thanks. Not that I can take it. No. A pack purified water. Yes, please. Now, I'm not sure how many more people there are. Besides the head honcho at the top. He might have a rocket launcher as well, actually. He'll certainly have some kind of heavy weapon that I don't want to be shot by. What? There you go. There's somebody getting out or into power armor. Can you see me through there? Nope. How many of them are there here? Oh my god. I can't. Shit. I can't shoot him through the bloody. Oh, I'm going to bail out. Quick! Down! Jump! Thank you. Fuck. Sorry. I don't know what he's using, what sort of weapon he's got. Oh, he sounds quite pleased with himself. Where have you gone? Have you got the wits to follow me? I hear him. Oh, certainly trying to, isn't he? I think he's on the floor above me now. Well, it's going to be Psycho Jet. He can't. Sounds like he's behind me. That is the worst case scenario. If he jumped. He didn't jump down though, I don't think. He hasn't fired his weapon yet, so I don't know what he's packing. Where are you? I could just wait for you to. Why don't I just do that? Oh, he's got out of his power armor. What a noob! I don't intend to give you another chance to use it, matey. Oh yeah, it's stuff I dropped off. Where did he exit? Right, okay, let's do that again. Where's he gone? Shit. I just assumed he would head down. Bollocks. I just wasted a stealth boy. Oh, it looks like he headed upstairs. Where the hell's he gone? He's freaking me out. A normal frag grenade. Where did he go? Did he drop down or something crazy like that, maybe? Shit! Bloody hell. Automatic... Well. That wasn't you. I mean, that wasn't him. Obviously, clearly it wasn't. Where the hell are you? You in there? I could just get the bobblehead and run. I'd feel it. I wasn't finishing the job. I did that. Where the bloody hell did he go? I can't go any higher than this. can't have gone up there. Is he in here? What a great way of finding out. He certainly is. Do you fancy one of those?
What?
Thought you might. He's just got T45. And he had... I assume this is the same guy. I'm not 100% certain that it is the same person, so I'm just going to be wary about that. That's a really good pistol. Yeah, it's just T45 as usual. Don't forget the bobblehead. Oh god, yes, she's got a stash of missiles. I don't think I can take any more of them though. I can take one. Take one. Yep, there's rubbish in there, of course. Plasma cartridge. Right, get the bobblehead before I do anything else. There he is. Lovely. With the exception of the luck bobblehead, I think that's all the ones I really wanted to have. Something to drink out of this basin here. Oh, didn't really mean to do that. I just meant to drink. Okay, well I think that's it for this instalment. There are more people here, but the episode's going to get overlong, so I am going to sweep through this place, which I'll do quickly at the start of the next episode, and then head, I think it's a fairly short distance, to Trinity Tower. And I'll think of some creative way of making it less boring to watch, because it is just ghouls. Well, it might be quite interesting to see if they've sorted out the problem with the unkillable ghoul right at the top. Actually, there is another bobblehead up there. Forget which one it is. It's one of the minor ones. But there's a lot of ghouls to kill and a lot of XP to be gained. So that is going to be in the next episode. I might sleep down here. I'm not entirely sure yet. But, you know me, I keep changing my mind every time. So I'm not going to say too much about what I'm going to do after that. So I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.